In this video, you're going to see a younger me from 2017 as I take you back to the remodel we did on our first rental property that we bought on auction. Okay, we are here in Italy. I am here in a property that we're fixing up. Right here I'm by myself, but it's just in the evening after we've done some work. Most of the things we've done are destruction instead of construction. The Anyway, we're kind of near Milano, and we bought this house in an auction. It was at a really low price, basically about 1/3 of the value, as it should be. Anyway, it's for a family member that we're fixing it up, and I'm just doing updates. I've done some videos kind of privately that I need to upload, but this will be the first actual live that I've shared with Facebook friends. And so if you're watching, I can't see the screen, so if you're commenting, great. If you're not, don't worry about it, just enjoy. What we've got here is a typical fourplex, and we're on the top floor. We have half the top floor. When we first bought the place, we just saw that there was some damage in the ceiling. I don't know if you can see that, but there was also in the living room and the kitchen. There was mold in some of the rooms, but basically that's controllable. It's just a matter of humidity being too high and not being able to escape the house. So it creates condensation and mold attaches. Anyway, so what we've done is my mother-in-law didn't like the pink that was in the bathroom. And if you go back to older videos that aren't uploaded yet, you'll see that it was pink. Now it looks like this. Honestly, construction in wood houses is so much easier. Cement houses, you have to tear apart the wall, rebuild it again. You never want to do it ever in the future. And so what we had to do is excavate the floor, excavate the tubes out of the walls, because we were going to replace all of the water. I apologize. I'm forgetting. Frankly, I'm forgetting English a little bit. But we are installing new water pipes, more potable water, and then we are installing new drain pipes for the shower. The shower was small, like just a square shower, about I see I'm here in centimeters. I'm in about 70 centimeters, but we've put in an 80 by 120, and then we're gonna have the rubinetto. We're gonna have the I don't remember the thing that turns it on. We're gonna have the water access right here that turns the water on at a higher location, and then across from that we're gonna have a laundry. We hope to put in cabinets later on, but right now it's just like an extra cost. It's not needed. Here we'll have a sink that we're still trying to decide what we want, and then a bidet, which to me is pertinent these days. I will never have a house without one from here on. And then over here in the corner will be the toilet, and it'll be a little bit tight to fit everything we want with a big enough sink with the laundry over here. But we think it'll be good. There's a big door that goes out to a very small balcony, and then over in this corner will be basically nothing. It'll be open space, but with a radiator that's a little bit like half the wall. And then basically as far as tile, we've chosen to be a little bit brave, I guess. Right here on this wall, that complete wall will be a white kind of a wave tile. It'll be three-dimensional a little bit. And then the rest of the tile will be, there'll be one strip of that wave down here in the middle, throughout the rest of the 3 walls, and then the remaining wall up to about 2 meters, 7 feet will be 6.5, 7 feet will be just this white tile that looks really nice, kind of luminous, reflective a little bit. On the floor we have a whitish, but it's a gray, it's got a design on it, and it's not like the same design. It's kind of a box of tile that will have 9, 10, 11 different styles of tiles that we have to piece together, that are all kind of, how big? I don't know how big, 10 inches, 12 inches by 12 inches. And so, yeah, that's where we are. We discovered there was an old pavement in here that was made of this old, it's kind of like an old Italian style where they put the stone and then they glazed it. On top of that, there was this this tile, ceramic tile, that frankly to me is ugly, but it's going to be in the rest of the house for a little while. It'll look nice, but this will be the nice house, the room in the house, and the rest of the house will just be as it was for a while. The kitchen, I mean, you can see we've done holes in the walls. They don't do toilet upper tankers here. We don't do tanks on top. We do them in the walls. And so this wall was so thin that the tank is basically only about an inch thinner. And the material on both sides, as soon as I pulled it out, fell out. So you can see it's actually down there on the ground. Here we got another hole. It's going to be the access. We did this for the kitchen, not for the bathroom. But there will be the hot water heater up inside a cabinet in the corner. And these are the pipes that go towards the radiators. There'll be 5, 6 of them spread throughout the house. We also broke open this hole. It's supposed to be the radiator valve, basically they call it a collector. I'm not sure anymore if that's what they call it. Manifold, pretty much, where the water comes in, the hot water goes out, and then it comes back and goes back to the radiator. But it's supposed to be open from the kitchen, not from the bathroom. But the rooms, these walls are pretty weak. Anyway, that's a project we got going on, and there will be updates periodically. I'm gonna actually probably do them every night from here, because tomorrow morning we will have a kind of a mixed plumber contractor that does concrete work and installs pipes. And he's going to come in the morning and start working on the drain and the water supply pipes. And so then he'll put in the floor, then he'll put in the walls, he'll make them all nice and flat. He'll put in the tiles in the ends, and then in the kitchen he'll do the tiles. He'll do this flat and do the tiles and the ceiling and make it basically the room. He's going to do most of the work. We have a plumber that's coming in to do the hot water heater. He drew the lines here for the gas line. So he'll be responsible for the gas line. And I think it's going to go really well. We will see. Basically by Saturday we should be 75% done. So we've got 5 days. So every day, every evening I'll be on here. You can see what we did that day. Hopefully it'll be a lot. My family, we're actually expecting a new baby. So I might be popping in and out because of that, but hopefully we can get a lot done. You can see over here we have some products that we've already ordered that we need to install with the bathroom. And yeah, anyway, stay tuned, I guess. That's what they used to say, right? Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you can enjoy what I'm doing. I'm not an actor, but you can enjoy at least. This is Italian life. Everybody sees the Italian beaches, but this is really what we do here. So thanks for checking us out, and we'll talk to you later.